Hello viewers, it's me Kulsum Ahmed. Today we are going to learn about price ceiling and flooring. So it's a topic of microeconomics. Now what is price ceiling? Price ceiling is a legal maximum price that can be charged for a good. It happens when there is shortage of product to control inflation. Now the thing that you have to keep in mind is, first of all, we are going to have market price and market quantity. Now the market price that is being determined by the forces of demand and supply is high. So it is not in the favor of common person. So what will happen? The higher price is discouraging, and government will keep a price that will be forcefully, that would be legally kept down, so that the common people cannot be exploited by the capitalist people, by the ones who are going to keep them high prices. So what are the examples? Apartmental rentals, like the houses on rent, their prices go up and government is going to fix the prices. And credit card interest rates, definitely we are using credit card, and if its interest rate is going high and high, how would we be able to afford that? So government is going to keep the prices down. And the example is, in World War II, butter control price was charged. So this is very good. This is in the favor of common people, so that they may have reasonable prices and they may buy products on nominal rates. Now let's see how to draw this price ceiling. Now we are going to start from the basic diagram, that is a Marshallian scissor. That is where we have demand supply basic diagram, and we have the equilibrium over here. This equilibrium is generated by the forces of demand and supply, and we do have a price and quantity. Now this price is set by the forces of demand and supply, and this quantity is also set by the forces of demand and supply. Now this price, government is going to consider that this price is very high and this is not good for the common people. So what will happen? Government is going to reduce it, and it will make it at 2. So 2 is a very good price. That is very very good for the affordability zone of the people. So here what will happen? We have supply, that is 2, means at 5 10 people were ready to sell, but at the price 2 only 2 people are ready to sell. So what will happen? People will reduce their supplies in the market, because they have to legally they have to follow this price that is determined by the government. So what will they do? Definitely they cannot increase the price, rather they would start finding other ways. So they would cut down their supplies. And over here, as the price is low, so 18 people are ready to buy. So more number of people. At equilibrium price only 10 people were ready to buy, but over here 18 people are willing and able to buy the product. So this this will happen when we have shortage in the economy. So when we have shortage, what happens? That price jumps up, but government keeps it down. It fixes at a lower rate, so that common people may not be exploited and the economy will go smooth. So it happens in shortage, where in shortage, definitely we people already know that quantity demand is always greater than quantity supply. So this all is the scenario of price ceiling. Now let's see what is price flooring. So a price floor is a legal minimum price that can be charged for a good. Now this is going to be the minimum price that government is going to fix. Now results in a surplus of a product when we have abundant products, like when there is wheat crop harvesting time. So everywhere we can find that farmers have wheat with them, and they're going to bring it into the market. So what happens when a product is surplus, in surplus quantity? So the prices will fall down. This is the rule of thumb. So what happens then? How to now see? The farmer has been working on the crop for 6 months, and by the end of time he is going to get lower prices. So that lower prices will cause exploitation of those farmers. So what will happen? Government is going to fix price more than the equilibrium price. They are going to say the forces of demand and supply are not setting the right price, so the right price should be set by the government. Government will intervene and they are going to fix the price at a higher level. So what are the examples? Soybeans, milk, minimum wage, support for agricultural prices. So all these are the examples. Now let's see how it happened. We are going to start from the basic diagram, and in basic diagram we have equilibrium, and this is price is 5 and quantity is 10. So now what is happening in price flooring? See, we are going to fix, government is going to fix higher price than 5, and 2 people are willing to buy because definitely the price is high, so buyer will be reduced. If there were 10 people in the market, now there will be 2 people in the market, and the supplies will increase. Definitely higher price will encourage the supplier to bring their product into the market. So this is also set by the government. That is why no one can intervene into this situation. So this happens when we have surplus in the economy market, and it is a situation where quantity demand is less and quantity supply is high. So this is the example of price flooring. So this was all about my video. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.